If you're looking forward to create some delicious chicken recipe, try out this lemon pepper chicken, which is going to turn out very flavorful, tender, and mouth-watering. Grab yourself the ingredients listed in the description box and let's make this very flavorful chicken. I also have lots of chicken recipes which turn out very delicious. And to get these recipes, you can check up here or in the description box for the full recipes. I'm going to start off by making my lemon pepper seasoning from scratch. So I'll be using some garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, paprika, salt, and of course, lemon. So in a small bowl, I'm going to be adding in the seasoning. Add in a teaspoon of salt, garlic powder, a teaspoon of each spice, black pepper, half a teaspoon paprika, onion powder, and some lemon zest. This is a very simple lemon pepper seasoning that you can make at the comfort of your home. So once done removing zest of 1 lemon, this is a very huge lemon. So if you are going to be using small lemons, you're going to zest 2 lemons. I'm going to go in with my hands and massage in the lemon zest into the spices. At this point, you're going to preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes as we sear our chicken. Once done making your lemon pepper seasoning, it's time to make our delicious, flavorful lemon pepper chicken. Over here, I have half a chicken, which I'm going to be using for this recipe. You can double up the amounts of ingredients and make for your entire family. So I've already washed my chicken and pat dry the skin of the chicken. As you can see, it's quite dry. If you want a very fast way to dry the skin of your chicken, after washing your chicken, place in the fridge for around 20 minutes and the skin will be completely dry. So because I'm looking for a very nice sear on my chicken that is on top, I'm going to be placing my cast iron pan, which is oven safe because we are going to be baking our lemon pepper chicken. So I'm going to pick a big tray because my chicken is very large. Transfer the chicken on top. And then I'm going to be adding in my lemon pepper seasoning on top. Half of it together with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Go in with my hands and rub in the seasoning on my chicken. Flip my chicken. Go in with the rest of the seasoning. Make sure the chicken is fully coated with the lemon pepper seasoning, and this is how your chicken should be looking like. So once done, you're going to be adding in a tablespoon of butter to your already very hot cast iron pan and a tablespoon of cooking oil. Lay your chicken on the breast side down on your preheated pan, just like this, and then you're going to be searing the chicken for around 2 to 4 minutes. We need that very nice golden brown color on our chicken. And after 4 minutes, you're going to flip your chicken. Look how gorgeous this chicken skin is looking. That is what I was looking for. Then you're going to add in half a cup of chicken broth. Add in the rest of your lemon pepper seasoning. This looks absolutely delicious already. Then I'm going to add in some fresh garlic, which I've already minced. Squeeze in some lemon juice. The lemon juice is going to seep into the chicken while baking in the oven. Searing the chicken in the butter is going to add in a very nice buttery taste to your lemon pepper chicken, and also the olive oil is going to bring in lots of flavor to the chicken. Not forgetting the lemon pepper seasoning that we have added and the fresh garlic. The next step is to oven roast our chicken. So at 200 degrees Celsius, you're going to be roasting your chicken for 30 to 40 minutes. You're going to scoop out the delicious sauce and baste your chicken, and just look how gorgeous it looks. Super delicious. So this is a very nice way that you can serve some delightful lemon pepper chicken to your family or to your guests, and everyone is going to enjoy each and every bite. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy lemon pepper chicken.